welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a cut crease in 4 easy steps. So if you want to see my 4 easy steps on how to achieve a beautiful cut crease, please keep on watching. So the first thing you're going to need is brushes. You're going to need a total of 5 brushes, a blending brush, a packing brush, a small pencil brush for blending out the detailing, and then you're gonna need a flat brush for executing the details, and then a brush to cut the crease. So the palette that I'm gonna be using for this look is the 35OM palette. Taking my blending brush in this burnt orange color, I am going to be putting this in my transition, and I'm going to be looking down into a mirror and applying this in circular and windshield wiper motions, making sure that this is applied above my crease and below my crease. The first step to a cut crease is a transition color, which helps with the gradient effect and helps all the other colors that you're going to be applying after it to be seamless and blended. I'm making sure to apply this color all throughout my lid, even in the inner corners, because as you can see the color when you cut the crease. I'm going to be using this color right here. The second step to the cut crease is to deepen up your crease. So I'm going to be focusing this color below the crease and blending it upward. First, I'm going to start off by applying packing motions, and then I'm going to go ahead and flip my brush this way, and then I'm going to proceed to blend. And I'm gonna build up this color until I think it's all fine and dandy. The third step is cutting the crease. First, you're gonna have to determine where your crease is. To determine your crease, just look straight into a mirror, and the highest fold you have in your eyes is where you're going to cut your crease. Unless you do have hooded eyes, you just cut right above your crease. But in my case, if I look straight forward at someone, you can see my crease, which is right there, and that's where I'm going to be doing the cutting. So I'm going to be taking this flat brush and my Naked Skin Concealer by Urban Decay in the color Dark Neutral. And to cut my crease, I'm going to be looking down into a mirror, and make sure you have memorized where your crease is, so that way when you do look down into a mirror, you won't forget and you won't go too high or too low. And to cut your crease, you always want to start lower than where your normal crease is, just to make sure you're not going up too high. You want to build the concealer on the very tip of the brush instead of the sides, because when you do apply it to the sides, it doesn't really help on getting that sharp, defined line. You first want to make a dome shape, and then once you have perfected your crease, you can go ahead and wing it out. It's okay if the line is not perfect, because the next step is going to help define that even further. And to wing out my cut crease, I'm just going to go in about 1/4 of the way. And flick it towards the tail of my brow. Make sure you do have enough room for a winged liner. If you need a little bit of extra help forming your crease, just go ahead and pull on your lid, look down into a mirror, and this helps with the natural folds of your skin, so that way you can get an even sharper line. I'm going to go ahead and set my lid with the Airspun powder. For the next step, we're going to be using these 2 brushes, the detail brush and the small pencil brush. First, we're going to go in with this detailed brush, and we're going to go in with that very last color we used, this very, very deep dark brown. We're going to be packing it on the tip of the brush. And then we are going to be looking down into a mirror and defining the cut of the crease. Then we're going to be taking that pencil brush that I showed you, and this is going to be used to blend out that color we just placed with the very, very light hand. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Please don't forget to give me any critiques or leave your comments, questions, or concerns down in the comment section below. And for love of makeup and all things girly, please subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. Bye guys.